We're here at Clifford's bat tour, a honey tour, that we're not allowed to record, so I'll get some footage outside. Can't record the actual tour, but this is all part of the business inside. Upstairs, activities to farm, Kangaroo Island. We'll probably take some photos and probably montage them into a video, but that's part of the display here. Come up to the shop, through into here, where the tour starts from. And there they show heaps of products on show. They even do a beer, pale honey beer. It's not a sweet beer, they say. Big shop.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, straight away, where?
She's got a little posse right.
This is the other side of that active hive.
Wow.
And these are all the bees doing
She
it,
might have just
making their
gone
honey.
from laying an egg where she's got
And
her.
apparently there's a queen bee in there somewhere, but you wouldn't know, it's just hundreds and hundreds of bees.
Wow. So how many bees are in there? Do you know?
I'm not sure. They are probably a lower number. They don't have as much room, so.
This is all part of that room I showed you earlier, and the shop is through there,
In the middle of sort of spring and
where
summer.
they sell their amazing products.
Probably less than that, so.
They did 14 tons of honey last spring. 14 ton
So they'll feed her. They'll
in one season, which is a spring last year. That's an amazing amount of honey.
David's just doing a little bit of honey sampling. And we're going to pick one and buy one from the honey farm, Clifford's honey farm. Nope, I don't think you like that one.
Them too.
Pick. I can't remember, mine were up there.
Coastal Marley. That's the go. That's nice enough.
So which one's Freddie?
Back by that one.
That one, that's the best one.
Oh, the same as mine. Same as mine.
Coastal Marley.
And the winner is?
Coastal Marley.
There we go. Coastal Marley it
Oh yeah,
is.
that's mixed one.
So we've moved on from the bees. We couldn't film in Clifford's bees because the tour guide was a bit camera shy, so made ourselves up to Bay of Shoals winery, vineyard. We were down in here, so we've come back this way and come into the winery, which is just behind where we're staying. We're in Kingscote. The winery's just up here. Have a look at the vineyard, see what it's got to offer. Gorgeous day out there, 30 degrees, no wind, and the view through the car park all the way across the bay. That's why it's called Bay of Shoals. We'll have a look around, see what we can find. So we've taken on Bay of Shoals, and we're going to have, don't think the light's going to show it. We've got a tasting paddle. Now this is $15 and you get choices of 4 different varieties of wine.
So you got sparkling cuvee, and then
That's a Riesling.
Riesling,
Then
a
that,
Rinto,
it's an Arinto, and
and a
this
Rosé.
apparently is a Rosé, but it's
It's
as white as white. So this is $15 to get 4 different wines to taste. And if you buy 2 bottles, this is included in your price. They don't charge you to taste it, the wine tasting. But look at that view across the bay there. Way off in the distance is the mainland. And this is Bay of Shoals Winery. They do all their Vineyards are down that way.
What, the shed is
Toilets
over
over there. It's a working vineyard, so they do all their bottling here. We don't attest to know much about wines because we do buy the cask wines from the bottle shops. But we just thought after a good day we just kick back, have a cheeky taste, wine taste, see what we come up with. We couldn't really film much at Clifford's because we had a shy tour operator, so I have to say it was a good tour. But yeah, didn't get much footage. Anyway, we'll do some wine tasting. Come up with what? Well, tasting paddles down. We've got this one, number 1, and number 4. These other two weren't too great. Just having a discussion on what our taste buds are thinking whilst we're looking at that view.
Good hairs on your chest.
Shoals winery. So after spending time at the honey factory and having a wine tasting,